All right, back on this Arizona Sunshine again. We just escaped the mine shaft. That was not the business. Checking my inventory. I think I should be full. Yeah, I'm definitely full. Is that an ATM? That doesn't work.
Light. Oh, I never thought I'd say this, but I've missed you. I have missed you, Arizona Sunshine. Fresh air. And trains. I like trains.
I'm at the old Dutchman mine. Did they get your attention? Apparently it did. Nah, don't come up here. Let's see if I still got it. Oh, come on. Okay. Yeah, not bad. Okay, no secrets under the stairs. No secrets under the stairs. Okay. Wanted. Some ugly dude. Looks like he smokes 6 packs of new Marlboros a day. Oh, where? I wasn't ready. Okay. I don't trust you. I knew it. I knew it. Put your head back down. Oh my goodness, I need some help. Hey lady, I just blew off your head. Ooh, no. I don't want it. Gimme, 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 gimme. And I knew it. I remembered.
Guys, please, stop sneaking up on me.
Might as well. My alarm is going off. But I can't worry about that right now. Okay. Now that that's done, I need to turn off my alarm. Okay. Way to break the immersion. Alright, and we're moving on. It's stank out here. There's all these nasty, stanky bodies. Anything in the trash can important? Look at that. Ooh. It's empty though. Man, you never got nothing to eat. No? Okay. Remember, shut the door. We don't want to be rude. Hello? Okay. Oh, where the hell you come from? What are you hitting down there? I love my upper body strength. Oh shit. Here you go. You can come over here if you want to. Tell you what, let me go ahead and get up here and greet y'all properly. Oh, come on. What up, though? Don't run up on me. What's wrong with you? Before we go up there, let's look down here. You know I don't trust you, right? Yes. Say you're right there. You too. Anything else? You gonna try to sneak up on me down here? No? Anything over here they're gonna try to sneak up on me? No? Okay. Anything down here? Come on. Hey, big lady. I'm gonna let you do what you gotta do. Can you open doors? You know how to open doors? No? I'll let you out. Whatever. Hey, be still. Be still. Come here. Ooh. It was nice meeting you, but what is this? No. Okay, let's rock with it for a little bit. Okay, let's see what you're working with. Not the Jason mask. Nice to meet you, but let's do it. Gimme. That is so damn good. No. Just in case they'll give me another shotgun later. Not the blue screen of death. Alright, let's head back upstairs. Oh, excuse me. Hello? I knew y'all was in here. Hey, what up, though? How you doing in there? Ow, you little asshole. Asshole. Where's the other one at? The zombies are rude as hell. You get me? I am full on ammo. Okay. Okay. Anything else important in here? Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. I'm full. Hold up. I want that. Hell yeah. No. And nothing.
Oh, damn. That's a lot of them.
Yeah.
Well, here goes nothing. Okay,
I'm gonna try something.
Don't fall in. Watch your step. Leave a note to fix the roof.
And close the door. How does your hand come through the glass? How does your hand come through the glass? Really? I want to try something. Can y'all come in? Doesn't look like it. Let's go to work then. Oh, I wish so badly I had a grenade right now. Oh, a grenade would be beautiful right now. Oh my god, there's so many of y'all. Seriously, there's not a grenade in this room somewhere? Hey, hold on a second. Man, how tragic. One in this drawer, maybe? No? But I'll take that. Man, I am so upset. Okay, how should I deal with y'all? Well, since I'm full on ammo, might as well.
Freddy's, are you stupid or what? Let's fight on solid ground. No? Okay.
Is that it? God, y'all stink. There's more coming. Good Lord. Be still. Look at y'all pouring in here. Okay, you're a dead one. Okay. Come back over here. That is a great bike helmet. Okay, just two of y'all. Okay. Switch back to my pistol. Oh my goodness. That was a lot of y'all. Okay, that's where I came from. Anything over here important? We got a paint roller. The physics ain't physicsing right now. Man, points deducted. How about you? You going right through it. Point deducted.
Shit, is that another radio?
Sure enough is.
Come on, work. Shit, this is for real. The signal's getting stronger. I'm getting close.
Okay. I can't hear a damn thing. Ooh, what's that? Hold up. Gimme.
Decent zoom, too.
Okay. I can barely see. This thing's... What is with the... Okay, let's get to a better spot. This is why I don't do sniper. Okay, shut up. Good Lord. Is that it? No more? No more?
What a beauty.
Okay, I guess we're done here then.
Hey, I can get down on the train here.
Oh, I got a bad feeling about this. Am I going to be able to get back up here? I highly doubt it. I have no grenades. I don't see any grenades down there. So I'm going to be using you a lot. Yep. Here they come. No. Yep, there's a lot. All right, let's do it.
Shit! Here they come. Hey, you have to pay for a ticket.
Like I said, the key is to walk up on them and backpedal. I would really love a grenade right now.
You didn't pay for a ticket. You didn't pay for a ticket. You didn't pay. No, we have zero tolerance for fare evaders.
Hey, God, y'all fucking stink, man, I swear.
Gunfight on top of a train, boys. Pretty badass. I know it's not a moving train, but still, pretty badass.
I swear. Keep my head on the swivel. Just y'all two? Okay. I'm about to go get some more ammo. Because I use quite a bit. Okay, let's turn around and check. Okay, how far behind? Might as well. Okay, I'll let you rest for a little bit. Finish them off with my pistol. What the hell was that? Whew. Okay, check for secrets. No secrets. Hey, I wonder what happened to that hatchet I was using earlier. Hello?
Hey, Fred. What you doing? Hanging out? Oh, man. I gotta work on my jokes.
I ain't try this out. Huh. Don't try to sneak up on me. Okay, we're good. Hey, everybody.
Huh. We can probably get up there.
Okay. Okay. Looks like the coast is clear.
The refinery. Yes! There it is. There it is. Okay. That's where they're broadcasting from. Okay, how do we get there? Let's see.
Ugh, I hear you. Oh, hey there. Cool. Growth. Yeah. Okay.
That guy with a sniper rifle. You guys are pretty bad, I'm just saying.
I don't trust you.
I mean, if you're here and you know, I don't know what happened, but...
I don't know about that pistol. I like my automatic pistol. Might as well.
Let me show you how it's done.
Are you gonna try to come up here or something? Nah, come on.
Not that hard.
Do it again. Anybody else? That was too funny. Can I take this with me? Wait, was there a key? Oh, yes, there was.
Ooh, key. All right, I'll take that.
Aw. I couldn't take it with me. Y'all are so unfair. Seriously, I can't take it with me? This is a one-shot kill. Aw, y'all are so horrible. I have to. There's a barrel over there. I have to. Hey. 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 Come here. Yes. Come here. Come on. Come on. I have to. I'm sorry. You gotta be the one. Come on. Come on. Faster. 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 I got stuff to do. A little bit closer. A little bit closer. That's it right there. Hold it. Okay, you're by yourself, huh? Might as well. Check the corner. Check my corner. Goodbye. Gross. Check my corners. Check my corners. Okay, we good. Hey there. Oh, sorry about your arms. Gross. Oh, this thing is weak. It's already starting to chip. I mean, I am cutting in the brain matter. Why did you fall? What's in here? Shotgun ammo that I'm full on. Pistol ammo that I'm full on. Check the corners. We good. Hey there. A military vehicle? What is that? No. What is that?
Oh, man. I am fucked. I don't think I have enough firepower to take them all on. Would you look at that? Oh! Grenade launcher. Oh my sweet mother, I will take that. Thank you.
Oh no. Okay, I got an idea. I have an idea. But if I do this, I'll drop one. Oh. I'll be back for you. I hope to be back for you. I absolutely have to. I have to.
Here goes nothing.
Hey, Freddy's! Yeah, you smelly bastards. You want to take a bite? Come on, then!
How do I reload this? How do I reload this? How do I reload this? Okay, this ain't good. Okay, seriously. Grab. Oh! Hey, hold on. Hold on. Back up. Back up. I'm gonna die. Oh crap, I'm dead. See, maybe I should get some kind of weapons training just in case something like this actually happens. Otherwise, I'd be dead. But while grocery stores still exist and I have a job, who knows? Then again, video games teach. Y'all think video games rot the brain and shit, which sometimes it does. But I'm getting training via VR. Where am I starting? And something tells me I lost. Okay, it's still here. Okay. Now that I know what to do. Hey there. Hey there. Hey there. Now that I know what to do.
Oh, man. I am fucked. I don't think I have enough firepower to take them all on. Would you look at that? Oh, grenade launcher. Oh, my sweet mother. I will take that. Thank you.
Give me my automatic pistol back. Okay. Let's try this again.
There goes nothing.
Hey, Freddy's! Yeah, you smelly bastards. You want to take a fight? Come on, then!
What? What the? No, give me that back. Oh, shit. This ain't good. This ain't good at all. Okay. Stop doing it. I dropped something around here. And I think it was a freaking grenade. Okay, not that many left. Okay. Stop it. And this thing could eat some ammo.
Shit! That was intense.
Not really.
Let's get out of here.
Okay, my feet hurt. I might have to reach a stopping point here very soon. I feel like I'm missing out on something. Oh, shoot. But I want to keep it. I'll tell you what, skip forward a little bit. Because I'm going back into getting my damn sprayer. Like leaving that behind. And there's more ammo over here. Oh, it's all pistol ammo. All right, skip forward again. You're just gonna see me walking for a little bit anyway. Oh goodness, my feet hurt. So you walk up the stairs. Oh!
Oh, yeah. Yes! Oh, fresh air. Nice and dusty out here.
All right. There it is. Finally. Let's go.
Okay. So, yeah, my feet hurt. I'm gonna have to cut it right here. Y'all have a good one. Good God, my feet hurt.